Alright, so let's solve some problems related to normal probability distribution. Okay, I'm taking the example of problem number 10 over here. The question is asking us to draw a normal distribution diagram, and it's also saying to plot integers on the x-axis. Okay, so this is our bell-shaped curve normal probability distribution diagram. Alright, question number A says the probability, compute the probability which lies in between the z of less than 1 and 0. Sorry, we have to compute the probability of z which lies between 0 and 1. Okay, positive 1. So with the help of diagram we can visualize it. This is our 0 and this is our 1, positive 1. We have to calculate this much portion. We have to find out this much portion, the area of this much portion. For that, what we'll do is we'll calculate the z, the probability of z score of 0. What is the probability of z which is equals to 0? So 0 lies in the middle, so we can say that it is 0.5, or we can check this value in the z table. Similarly, the probability for z which is equals to positive 1, that we also need to calculate. Not calculate but check. So as I told you, z of 0 is 0.5 and z score of 1 is 0.8413. Okay, .8413. So we need only this much portion. So if we visualize it, probability of z, we visualize it with the help of diagram, first and second. First one and second one. Till this is our 0.50 and till this is our area as 0.8413. Now if we need only this, meaning that probability asked between 0 and 1 is going to be this much as 0.50, this much is 0.50, this much is 0.8413. So how much is this? This is very simple. We will subtract 0.5 from 0.8413. We get our answer, probability which lies between this as 0.3413. I hope you understood this with the help of diagram, and as I explained you with the help of these diagrams and dimension, you must have got the clear understanding of how I have calculated the probability of only this much portion which we needed. Okay, so B is done. Question B, the answer of question B is, question A is 0.2413. Okay. Now, the question is asking us to compute the probability which lies between 0 and 1.5. Alright. So, the portion is going to be between 0 and 1.5. This much portion, the area of this portion. Exactly, this question is exactly similar to the previous one which we did. So we know the value of probability or the area for Z on 0 is 0.50 and Z 1.5 positive 1.5 is going to be, so 1.50 is showing us as 0.9332. okay, .9332. So with the help of diagram we can easily calculate the portion, the probability between 0 and 1.5. So here lies our 0 Z score 0 and here lies our Z score 1.5. The area till this is 0.5. Area till this much portion is 0.5 and area till this much portion till 1.5 is 0.9332. If we subtract 0.9332 and 0.5, we will get the area of this portion, which is going to be 0.9332 minus 0.50, which is going to be 0.4332. Okay. I hope you will be able to do the rest of it, which is similar.